Hey guys, welcome to this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. Donnie here, and when we come back, we got the Syma X23W, so stay tuned. Hey, welcome back guys. Yeah, I went ahead and tore everything out of the box so we can get the quadcopter and the accessories out of there. It does come with your standard controller, which is the same as the X22W that I have, which I have right here. So it is identical controller. So if you do have both of those Symas, you can just narrow it down to one controller so you don't have to bring both controllers with you when you're flying. I did want to show you that it is a lot different body style than the X22W. It's a lot bigger, so it's more like the X20 and X21 version. But it is a lot lighter. This one's a little bit heavier. This one cuts through the wind a lot better outside. This is more of an indoor flyer. The X22 or X23W is more of an indoor flyer. So I do suggest, you know, not much wind, maybe 2-3 mile an hour winds. Anything more than that, it will carry it away. So I suggest you know, make sure you watch that. And also, it looks like it's got a SD card slot in the back, which that is not functional. So don't put an SD card in there or you'll lose it in the body and you'll have to take this apart. So that was probably an option on another version of this. So the only time you're gonna be able to record is off of your Android or iOS device through the Syma Go app. So remember that, guys. You do get 4 extra props. And then you get the clamp that goes on the controller itself, so that way you can put your phone in there. Okay. And then this is what I want to show you about the charger here. The charger is a little bit different. So you got the proprietary battery, which is 3.7 volt, 500 milliamp. So that's pretty much Syma's kind of normal rate of a battery here. But this is a little bit different. This has a different connector here. You can pinch it open like this, and it's got 2 little metal connectors there, and you just slide it on, and then it clicks, and then you plug it in. It's already putting power to it, but you go and plug it into your wall socket or your laptop or computer. Okay, so I did want to show you guys that. Okay, so I want to get out of this boring stuff. I want to go and show you the flight. I did take this for a flight. It did really well. I got 7 minutes and 30 seconds out of the battery, and that was just the flight outside. I did do a little flying inside. I didn't catch on camera, which was maybe about a minute and a half. So you're looking at probably 8-minute flight out of this thing, and I had the camera going. So outside, even though I flew in here for about a minute or so, outside I got 7 minutes and 30 seconds with the camera running. So that's pretty darn good, guys. I was very impressed. And like I said, it was windy outside. It's getting ready to rain, so it did really well. And I did a bunch of flips, as you guys will see in the video coming up. So stay tuned for the video, guys.
And what's up, guys? Okay, I'm with the Syma X23W. It's a little windy. It's getting ready to rain, but I wanted to do a quick flight outside. We're going to go ahead and start with turning on the controller, turning on the quadcopter by holding this down. Alright, going to bind it. Up, down. I'm going to set it in second rate by pressing this. There's second rate. Okay, let's go to the Go app. Syma Go app. Okay, let me get on Wi-Fi as well. So let me connect to the Wi-Fi. There it is. FPV connected. Back. Press start. Okay, we got pictures. So I'm going to press record, guys. Believe it or not, this thing actually has follow our point of interest, so we're gonna see how that goes. Let me go ahead and start record, get this thing up in the air. One button here. There we go. Like I said, it's pretty windy, so I don't know how well this is gonna fly, but we're gonna give it a shot here. Take it up a little bit. I don't want to go too much because I don't want to lose it. Give you guys a feel what the video looks like. Kind of float it back here for a minute so we get some steady film. Turn back towards me. See if I could just go slow for a minute. far so good. Not too much breakup. A little bit to be expected. Okay, let's go for a flight. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and try some flips here. I'm going to press this button right here. Or actually, it's the toggles, the other side here, I believe. Let me see. See if I can remember. The wind's trying to blow this thing, so... No, that's not it. Okay, let's see. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to try the point of interest. So we're going to press this button here. Let me bring this guy back. Okay, you're going to press this guy here. See if I can do this here. I'm going to do, see if we could do a circle here. Doing a round circle and see if it does it. Okay, it says it just followed it. So I don't see how that followed that. Let's try a square. Okay, there's a square. It says it's doing it. It's coming back, but it's not doing it, guys. It's just more of a gimmick. You see it's not working. I'll try a circle again. Let me go up a little bit here. Try a circle. The wind's kicking up. See if I can do a circle here. There's a circle. It says it's following the circle, but it is not, so I'm going to bring it back. Alright guys, I knew that was just a gimmick, so look for that. It's not going to work. So it's a good little flyer. Just a little flyer, guys. Nothing big here. I'm not going to test out the range because I don't want to lose it here at the apartment complex. They're doing work over here. And I'm going down to there. That's at least 100 feet or more. So far I got good control. Bring it down a little bit in case it doesn't respond. At least I can go over there to those boxes. Okay, so we went to the box. Now I'm coming back. That's got to at least be 150 feet or more. So I'm coming backwards right now. So alright, so we at least know it's going to go at least 200 feet. That's at least 200 feet or more to that box over there easily. So at least we know it will do that. So I probably wouldn't go any more than that with this. I think it says only 50 meters. I'll have to look in the book. Well, it's a good little flyer, guys. You know, aptitude hold works pretty darn good. The flips work good. And a tight flip and it comes back out of it. I'll probably later, after this review, modify it by taking the prop guards off, and then I'm going to put FPV camera on it too, guys. So look forward to that. I got the cam and the battery all picked out for it, so I'm ready to do it. So Alright guys, the lights are flashing. I flew it a little bit in the house last night, so to land this, I'm going to just press the land button and bring it to me. Yeah. Alright, there we go guys. Alright guys, hey, the Syma X23W, it's well worth the money guys. I like it. It's a good little quad. You know, the camera ain't worth the beans, you know, but it's just something for the kids to play around with on the camera part. But it's a good flyer. Flies good indoors and outdoors, so I suggest to get it guys. So check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. So like always guys, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.